Is this the day 3, official 3rd day in a row of vlogging for Daniel Eisenman? I don't know if I remembered my dreams.
Any?
I think I do. I'm wondering about, like, you know, if someone feels Irie before they go to sleep, aka smoking on the grass hash, if they're less likely to remember their dreams or not.
But don't you do that every day?
I don't do it every day. I didn't do it 2 nights ago. Look at the Venus. I may make this vlog more about rituals of success, like the RICHULS. And I really do think that it's although it's not easy, it's definitely not easy. It's definitely a different ballgame getting in the freezer when one is, let's say, warm and hot. But just to wake up right in the cold morning and first thing you do, let's just put it this way. If our friend James Hollis, who's an author of a book that JP has recommended called An Examined Life, believes that the 2 things that one must battle when they woke up, like their warrior mode when they wake up, is fear and lethargy. And those are the 2 things that'll fill one's consciousness, allegedly. Like, that could be argued what the shadow is. That's what fills our space if we don't fill it with faith, if we don't fill it with passion, if we don't fill it with action. I'll tell you right now, when you do this, the very first thing, fear and lethargy are like gone. I'm lethargy. They don't exist in here. Good morning, Daniel. Good morning, roses. Good morning, greens. Good morning, herbs. Good morning, white rose. Good morning, Davina. Davina looked like she got a little fearful, but gone. And then I'm gonna probably make my green drake and put some Outwitting the Devil in my ears from Napoleon Hill and walk to the local park and maybe get some coffee. And then get ready for my phone call with the book agent. Details coming soon about that. Were you thinking like they wouldn't want to see me? That's probably true. I aim for the dirt, but I have a feeling Isaiah spits a little bit. It's a natural process of letting go. Don't hold on to your spit or your shit. All right, sit. 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 Davina, are you walking your crocodile? Little sweetie? Yeah. Walk that crocodile. Walk that crocodile. Walk that crocodile. New big hit from Breaking Normal. So I had an awesome cup of coffee with some banana bread. It was a buttered black eye. So that's like a, imagine a bulletproof coffee without the oil. Butter and coffee mixed with an extra shot of espresso. Ooh. Then I had the phone call, JP's book agent. Awesome, good clarity, quick, 5 minutes. Had a phone call with Tyson about all the people that are signing up for our event and the future of Breaking Normal and the future of us potentially moving to Bend, Oregon and making that the Breaking Normal heart quarters. And now I did some type of Wim Hof style type of breathing, naked in the sun. I'm not gonna show you the whole thing here, but you can tell I'm getting some good sunshine. And then doing some yoga, and I'm gonna do some like forceful breathing. I might make like a whole video. Let me know if it would resonate, like if y'all would be interested, because I want people to go all in on it. So maybe like making it for small purchase, like a full day of rituals that someone can do to supercharge their genius, their life, and their ability to live full out. Then we get in the freezer.
Grocery store shenanigans.
Look what we got here. Come here, Cookie. On the playground. Let me see. Let's see what happens if I take over. Davina, look. Ready? Oh, yeah! Yeah! Okay. Okay. Let's do something different. Let's see what we can do. Oh, that might be a little hot in her butt.
Oh, yeah.
A little warm. Is there a slide that's a little more basic?
That small one to the left?
Oh, yeah. Look at this.
Baby slide.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. And then you go like this. Ready? Whee! I guess I'll take my socks off. Man,
Your socks? Shannon has different words for all of the things.
Ready?
The stroller is called the crib.
1, 2, 3. Here we go. Whee!
Look at that face.
There's a slide over here too. We could go on. You want to do another one? Ready? Oh, let's swing the puppy. Oh.
It's like the leaf is more exciting.
All right.